Welcome to Discover the Magic of Gardening. In just 1 minute, we'll show you how gardening can transform your life. Let's dive in. Step into the world of gardening and reconnect with nature. Feel the earth beneath your fingers, breathe in the fresh air, and witness the miracles of growth. Gardening is your gateway to a greener, more beautiful world. Plant seeds and watch them bloom into a symphony of colors. Nurture delicate flowers, sculpt hedges, and create your own masterpiece. Your garden will become a sanctuary of beauty that uplifts your spirit every day. Gardening offers more than just visual delights. Harvest your own delicious organic produce from juicy tomatoes to crisp lettuce. Experience the joy of growing your food and savor the incredible flavors of nature's bounty. Amidst the chaos of the world, gardening provides solace. It's a therapy for the soul, reducing stress and anxiety. Lose yourself in the rhythm of nature, finding tranquility and peace within your garden sanctuary. Gardening brings people together. Share your love for plants, exchange tips, and cultivate a vibrant community. From seed swaps to neighborhood gardens, the bonds you form through gardening will enrich your life. In just 1 minute, we've scratched the surface of the magic of gardening. Discover the joy, beauty, and abundance it brings. Start small, dream big, and let your garden be a canvas for your imagination. Join us in the wonderful world of gardening and unlock the endless possibilities of nature's embrace. Thank you for watching Discover the Magic of Gardening. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe and share it with your friends. Together, let's sow the seeds of a greener future.